Good morning, students. How are you all? Let us today start with the miscellaneous exercise. It's question number 1. ABCD is a parallelogram. Coordinate of A, B and C that is given to you. We have to find out the coordinate of the D. So let the coordinate of the fourth vertex that is equal to D having the coordinate x, y, z. Now students, the notable point is there because you know in parallelogram its diagonals bisect each other. Means M is the midpoint, so the ratio will come as 1:1. So here we use the section formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2 and z1 plus z2 upon 2. So its meaning is that M is the midpoint of BD. So we will say that midpoint of BD that is equal to midpoint of AC. Now students, we will use the midpoint section formula. It will come as x plus 1 upon 2, then y plus 2 upon 2, then z minus 4 upon 2. This is equal to, from here 3 minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 and 2 plus 2 upon 2. Right students? Now we will compare. This is x coordinate, y and z. X will come as equal to x. Means x plus 1 upon 2, that will come as equal to, it will come as 2 by 2, that is 1. Means x plus 1 that is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1. Let us come with y upon 2, that is equal to, here it is equal to 0. So y plus 2 that will come as equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 2 then students. Then come with third one, z minus 4 upon 2 that is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2, or z minus 4, 2 2s are 4 then students, or z will come as equal to 8. Therefore we can say that this D having the coordinate what? 1, minus 2 and 8 students. That is the answer of this question number 1. Now come with question number 2. You all note this question number 1 first. Let us come with question number 2 then students. In question number 2, find out the length of the median of the triangle. There is a triangle students. Let us say triangle. This is triangle ABC. And these are the median AD, BE and CF. It's the median students. The coordinate of the A that is given as 0 0 6. The coordinate of the B that is given as 0 4 0. The coordinate of the C that is given you as minus 1. No. That is 6 0 0. It is given to you students. Find out the length of the medians. Now students, our target is to find out AD, BE and CF. What are the medians? AD is the median, BD is the median, no, BE is the median and CF is the median. We have to find out the length of these median then students. So remember students, here what we need? We need the coordinate of the D. And you know students, median divide the side of the triangle into two equal parts. Means here again the ratio is 1:1. By section formula, coordinates of D will be what? 0 plus 6 divided by 2, 4 plus 0 divided by 2, and 0 plus 0 divided by 2. Or it will come as equal to 3, this will come as 2, and here it is 0 then. Now the coordinate of E. Now student, E is the midpoint of AC. What is that? 0 plus 6 divided by 2, then 0 plus 0 divided by 2, then 6 plus 0 divided by 2. It will also come as 3, 0, 3. Now students, the coordinate of the F, that is equal to 0 plus 0 divided by 2, 4 plus 0 divided by 2, and 0 plus 6 divided by 2. And it is equal to 0. This is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So here we can say that its coordinate is 3, 2, 0. Its coordinate is E having the coordinate 3, 0, 3, and it having the coordinate 0, 2, 3. Now students, we have to find out the length of AD. How we will find out the length of the AD? Now by distance formula. We will use the distance formula to find out the length of the AD then students. How it will come? 0 minus 3 its whole square plus 0 minus 2 its whole square plus 6 minus 0 its whole square. It will come as equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 2 2s are 4 plus this is 36. So it will 40 49 then students, this is equal to 7 unit. This is the length of median AD. Now let us come with the length of median BE. This is BE students. This is equal to 0 minus 3 its whole square plus 4 minus 0 its whole square plus 0 minus 3 its whole square having square root. So what you will get? 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, and 3 3s are 9. So it will come as 9 plus 6 is 24, 24 plus this 3 is, here is this is 25, 25 plus 9 is 34. Its root is there. Then next one is CF. This is equal to 6 minus 0 square plus 0 minus 2 its square plus 0 minus 3 its square. Its square root. 36 plus 4 plus 9. It is equal to 49 students. That is also equal to 7 units. So that will be the answer of this question. AD is equal to 7 unit, BE is equal to 34 units, CF is equal to 7 units then students. So let us come with the next question. Question number 3rd. In the question number 3rd students, if the origin is the centroid of the triangle PQR with the vertices P, Q and R, find out the value of ABC. Very simple question this is students. Very easily you can do it yourself.